All right, let's try this again. This is my second attempt at this video. This is my new workspace. It's a 30 by 48 by 14 high pole barn. It's gonna be my new, I don't know, shop, hangout, hideout, whatever you wanna call it. It's still a work in progress. Gotta do the electrical. Right now I just have an extension cord run out here with a couple lights. It's gonna be a hoist over in this area, get a compressor, all kinds of good stuff. But basically built it to work on things and storage for the cars. This is my 84 Indy Fiero. This is my newest project. It's an 84 SE Pontiac Fiero with a DGP IMSA wide body kit on it. I picked this up from a guy this summer. He was local. Been sitting in his garage for 5 years on jack stands. He took it apart to redo the brakes, and there it sat. So it was non-running, only paid $1,000 for it. Came with all the parts to finish the brakes. So yeah, I picked it up. I thought it was too good of a deal to pass up. So I, ran all new brake lines, new calipers, new rotors in the front and rear, new flexible brake lines, put a new master cylinder in it, new battery, dropped the tank to put a fuel pump in it, and the tank was totally rusted. The sending unit was pretty well gone. So I cleaned the tank out the best I could, put the new pump in it and got it running. Obviously the fuel gauge doesn't work. I found a new tank, or a used tank, it's not new, with a good sender from a guy over in Detroit. I gotta go pick it up this weekend. I'll probably do a video of swapping out the pump and the tank and the sending unit. I gotta clean the tank up a little bit. It's clean on the inside, but it's got a little surface rust, which isn't too bad to fix. So yeah, I got that to do. I got a plasti dip kit for it. I want to try a couple different colors before I actually pay for a professional paint job. So it's gonna get a blue color on it here in the spring. I want to do something about the wheels. The wheels on it, I mean, they're the correct centerline wheels. They're pretty rare, but as you see, they are pretty dirty. I've tried to clean them. This is like a machined look. So I'm gonna paint the machine part black, I think, and try to polish out the barrels. All 4 of them are pretty nasty. Got brand new tires on them though. They had new tires on them when I picked it up, so I can't complain. Want to do an engine swap on it at some point in time. Right now it's just got an Iron Duke in it. It's only got 46,000 miles. Sorry, the lighting in here is terrible. This runs really good. It's got a 4-speed manual, but I don't know. I'm thinking either a turbo Ecotec or do a Cadillac Volante 4.5 liter V8 and do a turbo on that. 3800. I'm really not sure. Not sold on these scoops either. I picked these up on eBay for $100. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or get rid of them. I haven't decided. I'm thinking when I paint the car, I'll paint those black. The car will be blue. I gotta finish painting the trim on the body. You can see I've done some of it in black. Interior's pretty nice. It's got the sheepskin seats. It's pretty well optioned. Rear defrost, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's actually a pretty nice car. I really like it. I drove it quite a bit this summer after I got it running. It's just slow. But then again, I guess it is fun to drive a slow car at its limit than it is to have a car that has way too much horsepower, but I don't know, more is always better, I guess. So yeah, that's my project for this summer. Oh, I restored this tail light. It's got a light tint to it. I gotta do this one still. Actually, this one's got a divot in it. I gotta find a good one. I don't have one. I have like 15 right tail lights and I have no left. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking videos of this as I do some stuff to it. Hopefully my video quality improves. Right now I'm doing this with my iPhone. I think I have a GoPro somewhere. I'll have to try to find it. Yeah, and then this is my 88 turbocharged car. It's got T-tops. I put T-tops on it. It's got the turbocharged 4-cylinder. Yeah, I've had this car since 2000. It's a fun car. I enjoy it. T-tops kind of took the daily driver part of it away, though. I like them, but they're kind of wind noise. If you have the tops in, they leak a little bit. Not that I drive the car that much anyway, so it kind of worked out that I picked up the IMSA, because I can use that as a daily driver this summer and just drive this one every once in a while. And then this is my brother's 86 SE. It has a 3.4 liter out of a Camaro in it, but the transmission's going out, the automatic that's in it. So I have a new automatic transmission to put in it. I just have to do it. And I live in Michigan and the weather sucks, so I'm not about to work on it right now. This pole barn is not insulated yet, so it's cold. So yeah. Oh, and then I have the pace car go-kart. That's the kids' little project that we're gonna work on. It needs the front frame straightened. Obviously the body's not in that great a shape. It's got a big crack in the left front and the fiberglass that we gotta fix. I mean, it runs and they can drive it around a little bit, but the body's not mounted correct. And it just needs some work. I'd like to fix it up. And they're pretty geeked about it, so maybe we'll take some videos of that too. But yeah, since I did this video the other day and uploaded it, and it had no sound, I figured I would try it again. But yeah, that's the shop tour, I guess. And once I get it all set up and I get my hoist and my air compressor and I have a tire mounting and balancing machine and all that good stuff, and get that out here and start working on some stuff, it'd be pretty cool. I'm pretty excited. So yeah, that's the update, and I will try to get better at this video taking, video editing. Really not editing right now, but yeah. So yeah, look for some more videos. Hopefully it improves. But see you guys later.